guys, how y'all doing? So today we're gonna be making a pen rocket. So first we need a pen cap, scissors, tape, of course, rubber band, pin, empty refill. Yep. So we need to take the pen cap. So we need to take the tape and find the starting point. Yep, I found it. You have to take it. Take the cap. Put it like that. Then the pen. Yep. Nope. Here. That's right there. So next, do this until the cap is secured. Now the cap is fully tight. You can cut it off. Yes. So next, we got this ready. Next, you need to take the rubber band, open the pin. Nice. Then take it. See, make sure the rubber band goes in here. Like this. So next, put the rubber band on like this. See? Like this. So next, put the pin like this. So it should come like this. Next, you need to take the refill of the pen and put it in like that. Get it like this. And more importantly, you have to put the pin inside the refill hole. So, and be careful because you have to push the tip to get this thing. So, next, you have to make it work. Like, sorry guys. Like this. See? Let me do that again. And And it's a tip that you should not do it too hard, like I did 2 times. You should not pull it like this. If you do pull it like this, then it will definitely bounce off and come. It depends on how far you are. So if you pull it this much and from this far, it sticks. But if you pull it like this from this far, pull it like this from this far, this is what happens. It sticks because of the force, it comes back, bounces. So thank you guys. If you like this, please share, subscribe and like. Bye bye.